Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Kool Zone. Happy St. Patty's Day. Today is going to be a beautiful day. So check this out. Whoever is watching this video, if you want good luck, as you can see, I have my green waffles here. Right here is the time where you subscribe to the Kool Zone. And once you are subscribed to the Kool Zone, that right there is the beginning of your good luck. See? Good luck is happening to you already, and you don't even know it. Just sit there and believe that everything is going to be good. Now, the good luck has come, and now you have gold. These are my gold waffles. So please do remember, subscribe to the Kool Zone for good luck, and your luck will turn into gold. Sounds good, right? Yeah, I know. But check this out. Not only will you be able to get gold, you'll be able to eat something amazing like this. This right here was my corned beef. We have eggs. We have some Swiss cheese. We have some sauerkraut. And we have just a little glaze of Thousand Island dressing. And of course on the side, big ups to Guinness for making this beer go so perfect with this sandwich. This was amazing. I love how it all came together. From the first bite, you will fall in love with this corned beef extravaganza that I put together. This was a masterpiece. I bought so much corned beef. I'll be making this sandwich for a few more days. So, yes, it's definitely worth trying. As you can see right there, looks amazing. The taste was amazing. This was actually my fourth one right here. So as you can see, yes, I did get it in. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I love y'all. Please stay tuned for much more to come. Kool Zone out.